Open OBS Studio and click Settings. Go to the Output section and choose the Recording tab. Set your recording quality based on your PC and the type of video you want to create. For high-quality recordings, choose a quality option that uses a higher bitrate or a high-quality recording preset. If your system supports hardware encoding, such as NVIDIA NVENC or AMD encoding, you can use it to reduce the workload on your CPU. Next, go to the Video section. Set your base canvas resolution to match your monitor or the resolution you are capturing. Then choose your output resolution. For full HD videos, 1920 by 1080 is a common choice. Set the common FPS value to 60 if your computer can handle it, especially for gameplay or fast-moving content. For tutorials and general recordings, 30 FPS can also provide good results while using fewer system resources. Now check your audio settings. A sample rate of 48K Hz is a good choice for most video recordings. Make sure your microphone is selected correctly and test your audio levels before recording. Before starting the final recording, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up CPU, RAM, and GPU resources and help OBS maintain stable performance. Finally, make a short test recording and watch the result. Check the video quality, frame rate, microphone clarity, and whether there are any dropped frames or performance issues.